So today we will draw the classwork 8 on AutoCAD. Classwork 8. You will draw front view, ZZ, section, left side view, not A, Y, Y, because it is written here Y, and top view. Okay. So
How about we draw the homework 8?
draw the homework 8 on
AutoCAD.
freehand. Freehand.
AutoCAD. No, I mean here in this class today,
Hmm.
because we already did the classwork.
Okay, classwork. This is same classwork you will do on AutoCAD, and homework you will do in freehand. Okay.
Yeah, but you can't show us how to do it in AutoCAD, so
Yes,
we
I
know
will. I
what
will. I
to
will
do.
show. I will show. I'm going to do.
Okay.
Just relax. So first of all, calculate LH and D and calculate A and B. So here in this problem, this 140, 140, and this 20, and this side is also 20, is equal to 180. L is equal to 180. D is 80 and H is equal to 15 plus 50. And in AutoCAD, I will take exact. So dia is 56 and the radius will be what? 28. 28. So if you add, it will be equal to 28 plus 50. 28 plus 50 plus 15 equal to 93. For A and B, I will take the yesterday calculation. I will not do again. So first of all, make the space. Draw this line from here to here. First of all, and change this line and select the line and change it to ISO dot. Now the offset will be equal to B. You calculated yesterday 20. So right, do it. And height is height I calculated 93. Again, the offset is 25. Again, the D equal to 80. Okay. Now today we will draw the left side view. Okay. The left side section view. So we will start from the right hand side. So you can draw front here, top here, and left side here. So take offset. It was around 50. You can calculate again. I am taking approximately 50. Trim this line. Click on trim, press enter and trim it. Select this down and delete and change this in dot line. Now for the L equal to 180. So click on offset, right, 180, press enter, click here, this side. Now offset again, 50. Click on offset again. D
Assalamu
is
alaikum.
equal to 80. Walaikum assalam. Okay, so I made the space here, front sectional view, top view, and left side sectional view. So let's start doing this. I will draw like this. Let's start from here, from down here to this distance is from this point to this point 20. So I will start, take the line command, click here, 20, then 140, and then up is 10, this side 20, mouse up, this is 5, and this total 180, down is 5, this side 20, and down. Let me open the book. Here from this point to up, here is how much? 40, 40. This side 20, down, click here, same here, click at this point, move and click here 5, then 40, 40, this side 20, no 15, sorry, 15, click here, this should be 15, okay. 15, and this, then click on trim, press center, trim this, like this. Now find out the center first. From the middle, it is at 50. So draw a helping line, 50. Then draw diameter is 56. So click on center diameter, click here, move mouse, right 56. The other circle is diameter 28. Select the line and delete. No need of this. Now for this portion, here to here, this is a of radius 10. So first of all, draw a rectangular shape or corner shape like this. Click on the line, click here, move mouse like this, draw it. Then there is a command for making this uh, circular. So there is a command fillet. Click on fillet. R for the radius. R, enter. How much radius is? 10. 10, enter. Click this. Click this. That will change. Again, click on fillet. Click on fillet, first option. R for the radius, R, enter, and 10, enter. So I want to make this. So one by one I will see to both lines. Now you see This distance is 37. From 37, this is the tangent line. So what will you do? You will, from here, from the snap setting, change on the end point, only on end point and tangent. Okay, so take the line command, click here, move mouse up, right 37, press enter, and then click here. It will take tangent, and after that you can select and delete this, no problem. Click here, click this point, move mouse up, right 37, press enter, and you can click here. Okay, up to here, any doubt?
No, Doctor.
Hmm.
Doctor, I have a question.
Yes, yes.
Can you go back to the book picture?
Hmm.
I'm asking about the circle and the right, the small circle. How
Hmm.
can I locate the middle?
For this,
Yes, how can I locate it?
first of all,
I'm
here no need to draw this location because you are cutting from here.
yes, but I'm wondering. Yes,
But if you want to locate, it is from top to, from this line to this center, the distance is given 20. So you can take offset from here 20. That will be the
and
center.
that is the center.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you, doctor. I was wondering that.
this will
I
be the
didn't know.
center. And after that, you can extend it 5 both sides. But here, no need because this is
Yes,
sectional view.
thank you.
Now, welcome. Okay, now here you have to draw the center line. So click on the line because I off all the points. So off now the tangent and on endpoint, midpoint, center, quadrant, intersection, and the perpendicular. These 6 points you should on. Now click on the center of the circle and move mouse right. I need Hamsa guide. So radius is 25. If you add 5 more, that will be 33. So write 33, press enter, press escape. Now select the line, click mid, click this end and stretch it. Move mouse and write again 33, press enter and press escape again. Now click on line command, click the midpoint of the line or center of the circle. Move mouse up, right 33, press enter, press escape. Again, select the line, click this, move mouse down and right 33, press enter, press escape. You want to change this circle as this line in the center line. So select both lines, right click, go in properties and change your line type, change it to center 2 and this line type scale how much? How much should I write?
3, Doctor.
How much should I write the type line type scale?
3 or 5.
3 by 3 or 5. I told you 33, that is equal to 33. Equal to one side of the line. Okay. Remember this. Now the next step for the dimensioning. Dimensioning I told you how to do last week also. Last class work 5. Again I am repeating for the here different option for the linear. For the straight line, either horizontal, vertical, you will use linear. For the inclined line like this, you will use align. For angle, you will use angular, and for the circle, either you will select the radius or diameter. Okay, so for the linear, I will do 5, 6 dimension. Then you can do yourself. So click on linear and click here. And for this measurement, don't select this, select this point, move this down. Again, click on the linear, click here, move this down. Again, for this, click this point, move down, and change the circle, the line dimension properties. So select the dimension, right click, go in properties, this window will open. So six thing you will change: 3 in line and arrow, 2 in text, and 1 in primary units. So in line and arrow, change arrow size, right 3, press enter. On extension line extension, right 3, press enter. Extension line offset, right 3, press enter. And in the text height, right 3, press enter. Text offset, right 3, press enter. And then in primary unit, precision, right 0. So you can change. In this way, you can change. There is one more command. If you change once the line, then अल्तमश मेरा डोर क्लोज कर दो तो once you change the one dimension, then you can match also. There is a match command here. Click on match properties, click the change dimension, and you can change. Okay, but look, it is going beyond this. So in this case, select this, click on 20 and move mouse, put it in between like this. You can rearrange. Select this, and I told you the line and the dimension should be in one line, linear. So you can move here. Similarly here, select this, click on 20, mouse in between, and you can move it to here. Okay, like this. So it will be proper in one line. Now for the diameter and the radius. So click on radius. For this, we will choose this. And for the diameter, you can do for this circle. You can do again for this circle. Now select any. You can select together also, both. Then right click in properties, and you can change the lines and arrow. Change the arrow size here again. Arrow size, right 3, press enter. Extension line extension 3, press enter. Extension line offset, right 3, press enter. In the text, right text height 3, press enter. Text offset, right 3, press enter. And the primary unit, make it 0, precision, and then close. Now you can match again. Click on match command, click this, and you can match. What else here? You have to do the hatch. So for hatching, there is one command only. In draw panel, click on this arrow, hatch, click here. And where is the hash? Just click the area one by one because it divided in 4 parts. So you have to click all 4. So then press enter. Now you draw the hatch, but I want the specific pattern. So you have to modify. Click on modify and here is the option edit hatch. Click at this option. Then click the area of hatch. Then this window will open. Type then pattern. This ANSI 31. Click on these 3 dots. There are a lot of options. Either this. Choose. You can choose any. Then in ISO there are other options. In other preferred about the solid angle. Like this is for concrete. Okay. Cross earth. Different options are here.
You can choose any one from the
In
NSI
yeah,
tab.
anyone. But I prefer this for the steel material. Draw this. Select this. ANSI 31. Click on OK. And after that you have to change the scale also. If you leave the scale 1, sometime it works at some computer, but most of the time it will not work. So again I selected the pattern, but I didn't change the scale, so it is it will not change. So change the scale 20 or 25, it depends. Right, 20%, like this, then it can change like this. So only one command for the hatch here. Okay, now for the top view, for the top view, first of all you will draw a rectangle. Okay, then you can take projection also. For this point I took projection. To taking same command you can just press enter, then it will take. Okay, now click on trim. No, from the center both side it is 20. So what I will do, I will click on offset, and first of all I will click on the line, click here, then click on trim, press enter because we don't need this, and click on offset, right 20 on both sides, and after that trim, press enter. After that select these all 4 line and delete from keyboard. Don't trim, otherwise sometime it will be confusing. So this was for help only, so select this and delete, and these lines will be hidden. So select this line, right click in properties and change it to hidden. How much? Right, 20. Press enter. Now for these, Okay, click here. The offset, the distance from here to here is, this was 20. So you can take offset, click on offset, right 20, press enter, take offset both side because similar. Again, click on offset, right 15, press enter. Now the I have to draw these lines also. Okay, these two lines. So for that, what will I do? I will draw the center middle line like this, and I will take offset of 5, take offset 5, both side 5, and actually this line will end up to here. Click on trim, press enter. Okay, select these two lines. This is for help, so you can delete. And this also you will delete. No need. This also you will delete. And click on trim, press enter. You will trim these also. Sorry, not this. Control Z. You will trim. Yes, this one you will trim. This one you will trim. This you will not trim. Again here. Now circle within this at a distance of how much? At a distance of 20. So what will you do? You will draw, you will take an offset of 20. Click on offset, right 20, press enter. Once. Okay. Then after that you can trim. Then the radius of the circle here in this portion is 8 because dia is 16. So I will take 8. 8. Then you can match also here. Click on match. Click here. Match it. And here you can do the this center line 5 side, both side you can extend 5 and change it to center line. Click here and right click, go in properties and change it to center 2. The size is right 15. Press enter. It will change now. Actually, 2 times I did. Right click, go in properties, change it to center 2. Right 15. Press enter. What will you do? You can copy. Better to yes, delete all these and you can copy with the reference point. Select this, click on copy. If you take this reference point, click everywhere the same point and copy. No need to do it again and again. Now here also the center line will be here, 5 side, click up. Actually, I have to draw here the section line. So the section line like this, I have to draw. So to draw section line, click the mid to mid, select the line, click here, extend up to maybe 20, both side 20. And here also the line, both side, because this is a smaller line, so I will make it 15, both side. Now to draw this arrow and letter like this, ZZYY, there is a command leader. Click on leader, click this end, move mouse down, and you can write here capital Z and click. It is there, but you need to change the size. So select this, right click, go in properties, and lead two things you will change the arrowhead, because arrowhead, the bigger arrow I want, so I will write 5 here, and in the text height I will change. Height I will change 5. Only two things you will change here, like that. Now you can copy, select this, and click on the copy, select here, click here. For this section, YY, again click on the leader, click here, move mouse, write capital Y. And here you can match also, or select. If you match, look, click on the match, click here, you can match, or other way, you can do other way. You can select, right click, go in properties, and change the in leaders the arrowhead size, right 5, and the text height, change it to 5. So select this and click on copy, click here. So in this way you have to draw this dimension, hatching, and the section line, same like this what I did here. Okay, complete and submit in the email. Okay, so I'm closing the class. Sorry, this is stopping here, the sharing. You have to do this, and after maybe 1 minute, within 1 minute the class will finish. So